Hi dear students, hello, how are you? I hope you are very fine. So बहुत दिनों के बाद we have new video for you. So that is the last part of the basic part. It may be last part of the basic mathematics. After that also we will study 10th mathematics and 10th science. Okay. So let's start. What exactly the last part of the basic, that is what it's related to the polygon. We have studied. Okay. See. फर्स्टली हमने क्या पढ़ा है बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स में, हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था कि एग्जैक्टली पॉलीगॉन होता क्या है, कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द पॉलीगॉन्स, व्हाट आर देयर टाइप्स, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलीगॉन्स आप इसके पहले वीडियोस में पढ़ चुके हो। ठीक है, और आपको इसके बारे में काफ़ी आइडिया मिल चुका होगा। ठीक है, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट सम पॉलीगॉन्स. Okay, one of the polygon, that is the smallest polygon, that is triangle, we have studied how many sides, how many angles, how many vertex, and its properties we have studied. But right now the most important and mostly in all standard it has, that is quadrilateral. So what exactly the quadrilateral होता क्या है, okay, इसके कितने parts होते हैं, that we are going to study here. See, so what exactly the quadrilateral? So you already know about the quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals is what? It is a polygon. It is a polygon, yeah. Those polygons having four sides. How many sides it has? Four sides and four angles. ऐसे polygons जिसमें चार साइड होते हैं और चार एंगल्स होते हैं, ऐसे polygons को बोलते हैं quadrilaterals. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो एग्जांपल क्या, तो how many sides? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. These are the four sides. That means these are the quadrilaterals. These are the quadrilaterals. Now it's majorly divided into two categories. Okay, depend on the internal angles, interior angles. How many interior angles? Interior angle, we know that there are four angles in quadrilaterals. Okay, but measure of interior angles, by using measure of interior angle we can name it as a convex polygon, a convex quadrilateral. Types of quadrilateral, majorly it has a two types. One is a convex quadrilaterals and other is a concave quadrilaterals. So what done by convex quadrilateral? In the previous lectures I think we have studied about the convex polygon. So those polygons having all interior angles less than 180 degree, मतलब जिसका मेजर 180 से लेस रहेगा, बट किसका? सब इंटीरियर एंगल्स का. ठीक है, तो ऐसे क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स को हमने ऐसे पॉलीगॉन्स को कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगॉन कहा था. तो यहाँ पे भी सेम थिंग, कंसेप्ट विल बी अप्लाइड. सी, कॉन्वेक्स क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स मींस व्हाट? ऐसा क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स जिसमें सब के सब इंटीरियर एंगल्स क्या होने चाहिए? लेस देन 180 डिग्री, लेस देन 180 डिग्री. ओके, तो दोस क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स having all interior angles are less than 180 degree, मतलब हर एक इंटीरियर एंगल्स का मेजर क्या होना चाहिए? 180 से लेस होना चाहिए. सच quadrilaterals are called convex quadrilaterals. जैसे कि एग्जांपल वी कैन टेक हियर, you see rectangles, each interior angle is 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Square, less than 180 degree. Each interior angle. Rhombus, okay, parallelogram, trapezium, kite. Each and every interior angles in these quadrilaterals we can see it's a less than 180 degree. Okay, 90, yeah, greater than 90, but it should be less than 180. तो ऐसे quadrilaterals को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Convex quadrilateral. Convex मतलब interior angles क्या होना चाहिए? Less than 180 degree. Each interior angles. Now what is the concave quadrilaterals? तो उसके उल्टा होता है. कॉन्केव क्वाड्रिलेटरल मतलब क्या होता है? एटलीस्ट वन इंटीरियर एंगल्स क्या होना चाहिए? 180 होना चाहिए. 180 से ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. 180 से ग्रेटर मतलब क्या होना चाहिए? कि ऐसे क्वाड्रिलेटरल जिसमें कम से कम एक एंगल, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितने भी चलेंगे, बट कम से कम एक एंगल क्या होना चाहिए? 180 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? 180 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. तो सच quadrilaterals are called concave quadrilaterals. So those quadrilaterals having at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree are called concave quadrilaterals. देखो, see, listen here. How many sides it has? 1 2 3 and 4 sides. But see, this is 180, but what our concept, what is by definition? At least one angle, मतलब कम से कम एक एंगल क्या होना चाहिए? greater than 180. तो ये जरा एंगल देखो, इंटीरियर एंगल क्या हो रहा है? स्ट्रेट लाइन से वो बढ़ा जा रहा है. ओके, रिफ्लेक्स की तरफ जा रहा है. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल मतलब इट्स ग्रेटर देन 180 डिग्री. तो ये जो इंटीरियर एंगल है क्या होगा? ग्रेटर देन 180 डिग्री. दैट्स व्हाई दैट पॉलीगॉन इज कॉल्ड concave polygon, concave quadrilaterals. Here also see 1 2 3 and 4. Here this interior angles is also greater than 180 degree. So these are the concave quadrilaterals. So बच्चों, आपको समझ में आया होगा दोस्त कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स. क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स मतलब होता क्या है? कि क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स ऐसा पॉलीगॉन जिसमें चार साइड्स और चार एंगल्स होंगे. टाइप्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? कॉन्वेक्स मतलब ईच इंटीरियर एंगल 180 होना चाहिए। कॉन्केव मतलब क्या होता है? एटलीस्ट वन इंटीरियर एंगल शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 180 डिग्री। ओके, एंड दैट एग्जांपल वी हैव स्टडी। नाउ majorly we have to study in the, up to the 12th standard, majorly we have to study the concave convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral means what? Each interior angle should be less than 180 degree. Okay, so how many types of concave or convex quadrilaterals and its properties we have to study? But firstly we'll study the types of convex quadrilaterals. What is the convex quadrilaterals? So convex quadrilateral means each interior angle should be what? Less than 180 degree. So how many such quadrilaterals we have? We have in our day-to-day life. So see, so types of convex quadrilaterals and its properties. So firstly we'll study the types, then we one by one study its properties. So first, see, first type is what? Square. Square is what? You already know that. Square means has four side, it's four side quadrilateral, it's four side polygon, yeah, quadrilaterals having all sides are equal and each interior angle is 90 degree. We'll study in detail. Okay, but square, other is what? Rhombus. Rhombus is a form of square. Just ये क्या होता है? टेढ़ा होता है ऐसे. ओके, जैसे ये कॉर्नर को अगर लात मारा तो ये कैसे होता है? जैसे कि ये घर है, ठीक है, तो इसको लात मारा ऊपर से तो कैसा हो जाएगा? ऐसे लेट जाएगा थोड़ा, ठीक है, तो लेटा हुआ स्क्वायर मतलब रोम्बस होता है. देन रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल मीन्स अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल, दैट इज रेक्टेंगल. पैरेललोग्राम भी क्या होता है? लेटा हुआ रेक्टेंगल होता है. क्या हुआ? लेटा हुआ रेक्टेंगल होता है. पैरेललोग्राम लाइक दैट. देन ट्रेपेजियम इज व्हाट? ट्रेपेजियम भी क्या? क्वाड्रिलेटरल होता है, जिसमें क्या होता है? एक ही पेयर पैरेलल, एक ही पेयर साइड का क्या होता है? पैरेलल होता है. ओके, एंड काइट इज व्हाट? काइट, यू नो दैट एवरीबॉडी वी हैव स्टडीड काइट. काइट मींस व्हाट? जिस एडजेसेंट साइड्स, द पेयर ऑफ एडजेसेंट साइड्स आर इक्वल. जैसे कि ये दोनों साइड इक्वल रहेंगे एडजेसेंट साइड्स, ये दोनों साइड इक्वल रहेंगे एडजेसेंट साइड, मतलब एक वर्टेक्स कॉमन होना चाहिए उसमें, ठीक है. ये और ये भी एडजेसेंट है, बट दीज आर नॉट आर इक्वल. दीज आर इक्वल, adjacent sides are equal. So these are the types of convex quadrilaterals. Now we'll study one by one. What are the properties of square? What are the properties of rhombus? What are the properties of rectangle? And what are the properties of parallelogram? What are the properties of trapezium and kite? See, it may be the last lectures of the basic mathematics. After that, we are going to study about the 10th mathematics. Okay, NCERT properly. So see. So see, we will study firstly the properties of square. What is a square? So we know that square is what? Square is a quadrilaterals having all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So see, firstly, so square it looks like that. It's all sides. Suppose we have taken ABCD is a square, quadrilateral ABCD is a square, and its sides AB, BC, CD, and AD. These sides and angle A, angle B, and angle C. So here we have taken so square like that. So what is the, so here ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. So what are the properties of this square? So you are seeing this ABCD is a quadrilateral in which all sides having same side, that is a single line. That means all sides are equal. So first property is all sides are equal in length. We can say that equal in length. Equal in length. Suppose one side have 5 centimeter, yeah, 5 meter. Of course, the other also have 5 centimeter. So all sides are equal in length. Then that is side AB, side BC, side CD, and side AD are. Then second property is what? All interior angles. All interior angles means what? See, all interior angles are equal. That means all angle is right angles. All angles are also equal. That means all angles are also equal and they are right angles. Right angle means what? Measure of angle A, measure of angle B, measure of angle C, measure of angle D. These all angles are equal to 90 degree. Third property we are going to study, that is the diagonals. So what are the diagonals? Diagonals means a line which joins the opposite vertex. So C. Suppose that AC. Okay, and then BD. So these two lines join the opposite vertex of any quadrilateral. So these are called what? Diagonals. So diagonals, what? Diagonals are equal in length. Diagonals are equal in length. Suppose they are meeting at point O. So diagonals are equal. That means length of AC equal to length of BD. Then third one is what? Also we can say that along with the diagonal bisect each other. Bisect means what? They are bisect each other. Bisect means what? AO is equal to OC. See, that means AO is equal to what? OC, and that uh, OB is equal to OD. So diagonal bisect, that means what? We can say that diagonal bisect means AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to DO. BO is equal to what? DO. So they bisect each other at right angle बोला है. At right angle मतलब bisect तो कर रहे हैं, मतलब AO is equal to OC और OB is equal to OD है. Bisect means equal part में डिवाइड कर रहा है. एंगल ये साइड ये वो, ठीक है, और वो राइट एंगल में भी डिवाइड कर रहा है. मतलब यहाँ पे जो एंगल बनेगा एक दूसरे के साथ, वो कैसे बनेगा? राइट एंगल. कैसे बनेगा? राइट एंगल. So and each angle that is, suppose that is, all angles are equal, so therefore angle, measure of angle, suppose we'll see AOB. AO is what? 90 degree. Similarly angle AOD is also 90 degree. Similarly BOC 90 degree. Similarly COD is also 90 degree. So that means diagonal bisect each other as well as they bisect at right angle also. Okay, and the last one is what? Fifth property, opposite sides are parallel. That means AB का opposite side कौन है? CD. They are parallel. And AD मतलब क्या होता है? PC. AD equal to what? AD is parallel to BC. That means they never intersect each other. So these are the properties of square. These are the properties of square. Correct? So apart from this, there is a no property. Okay, and these properties you can use for solving the quadrilateral. See, right now we'll study about the rhombus, property of rhombus. What are the rhombus? Rhombus is what? Rhombus मतलब आपको अभी भी बोला मैंने कि लेटा हुआ स्क्वायर. देखो ये स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर को मैंने अगर यहाँ से क्या कर दिया? पुश कर दिया ऐसे, लाइक लात मारती, या ऊपर से ऐसा धक्का दिया, तो व्हाट विल हैपन? ये थोड़ा सीधा सो जाएगा ऐसे, मतलब ऐसा थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये टेढ़ा स्क्वायर मतलब क्या होता है? रोम्बस. टेढ़ा स्क्वायर मतलब क्या होता है? रोम्बस. एक लाइन स्क्वायर मतलब क्या होता है? रोम्बस. तो ABCD यहाँ पे वही सेम नाम लिया मैंने, ABCD इज व्हाट? रोम्बस. तो ABCD इज व्हाट? रोम्बस. So what are the properties rhombus have? So see, first, same as a square, all sides are equal. देखो all sides are equal in length था, तो यहाँ पे भी रोम्बस में भी क्या था? all sides are equal, क्योंकि ये क्या है? एक लाइन स्क्वायर है. ओके, रोम्बस मतलब क्या? एक लाइन स्क्वायर ही है. दूसरा क्या? ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. यहाँ पे भी क्या था? ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर, मतलब सेम प्रॉपर्टीज है. सो स्क्वायर एंड रोम्बस दैट मीन्स हैव ऑलमोस्ट सेम प्रॉपर्टीज. Okay, but each angle is not no angle is 90 degree here in a rhombus. Correct? So all sides are equal in length, that AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. This means all sides equal. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. That means AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. These opposite sides are parallel to each other. Then opposite angles are in equal measure. देखो यहाँ पे equal angle होता है क्या? No. Angles are not equal and they are no 90 degree, but opposite angles are equal to each other. So angle A and angle C, these are exactly opposite, मतलब एक दूसरे के सामने वाले angles को हम क्या बोलेंगे? These are opposite angles and they are equal in length. They are equal in measure. Similarly B and D, see दो marks किए गए, that means same mark वाले angles क्या होते हैं? Equal होते हैं. तो angle B and angle D are also equal. So opposite angles are equal in length, equal in measure. फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी सेज दैट यहाँ पे भी क्या हो जाएगा? अपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल हो जाएगा स्क्वायर में भी. ठीक है, अपोजिट साइड मतलब तीनों प्रॉपर्टीज मोस्टली सेम ही है. यहाँ पे भी सेम प्रॉपर्टी है क्या? डायगोनल की प्रॉपर्टी सेम है. डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. तो व्हाट आर द डायगोनल्स हियर? डायगोनल AC and diagonal BD. Suppose diagonal E bisect each other at point O. So what will happen? AO is equal to OC. बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है मतलब क्या हो रहा है? इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है. बाइसेक्ट मींस व्हाट? इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है. दिस एंगल, दिस साइड इक्वल टू व्हाट? AO इक्वल टू OC and this one is equal to what? This one. So BO is equal to OD. Opposite also diagonal bisect each other. Okay, bisect each other in right angle. Right angle मतलब क्या? Each angle, यहाँ पे जो एंगल बनेगा, जैसे यहाँ पे बना था each angle what? 90 degree. तो यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा? diagonal bisect each other at right angle. That means, that is bisect means AO equal to OC and BO is equal to DO. But each angle 90 degree means what? Angle AOB, मतलब आपको मालूम है जो लेटर बीच में आता है वो वर्टेक्स होता है, that is considered as angle. So O is the angle here. Okay, so angle AOB equal to measure of angle AOD equal to measure of angle BOC equal to measure of angle COD. These all angles are right angle. That means having 90 degree. Okay. And the last property is what? Adjacent angle. Adjacent मतलब एक साइड के एंगल्स, तो ए और बी भी क्या साइड का एंगल है और ए और डी भी साइड का एंगल है, तो इन दोनों का मेजर क्या होता है? सप्लीमेंट्री होती है. सप्लीमेंट्री मीन्स व्हाट? दोनों का सम कितना होगा? 180 डिग्री. सो एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी 180 डिग्री, आल्सो वी कैन से दैट एंगल ए प्लस एंगल डी आल्सो वी कैन से दैट 180 डिग्री. Okay, but angle A and C are equal, not 180 degree. They all are equal. So adjacent angles are supplementary, means measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equal to 180 degree. Measure of angle C equal to measure of angle C plus measure of angle D also 180 degree. Also you can say that measure of angle A plus measure of angle D also 180 degree. Measure of angle B plus measure of angle C also 180 degree. ठीक है. Adjacent angle, adjacent मतलब साइड के एंगल दूसरे के. So these are the properties of rhombus. That means most of the properties, when we compare this square and rhombus, the most of the properties are same, but one property is not there, that is in square all angles are equal, in rhombus no angle is all angles are equal and 90 degree. ठीक है. Here no angle is 90 degree, opposite angles are equal. Okay, here also opposite angles are equal 90. Okay, so these are the properties of rhombus. Okay, so here each and every concepts of mathematics, basic mathematics is available in one platform. Okay, I'm giving you, okay, these are the basics, very much basics you need to study each and every mathematics. So right now we'll study about the rectangle. So now rectangle, what are the properties, what is rectangle, how it looks like, and what are the properties of rectangle, we will see. I hope you can see clearly. So here it is what? Rectangle. It looks like this rectangle, this is the quadrilateral, it looks like that. Okay, so here PQRS is rectangle. So what are the properties it has? So opposite sides are equal in length and parallel to each other. So opposite side PQ equal to ESR and PQ parallel to ESR. Opposite side PS and QR are equal. Opposite side PS is parallel to QR and PS is equal to QR. That means opposite sides are equal in length and parallel to each other. The second concept, see, you are seeing here each angle is what? 90 degree. That means each angle is right angle in the rectangle. So measure of angle A equal to measure. So we have taken PQR. So here we have to replace ABCD by PQRS. PQRS. So PQR and S. So measure of angle, each interior angle of rectangle is right angle, that means 90 degree. The diagonals, opposite vertex joining line is called diagonal. Diagonals are equal as like a square. Okay, but rhombus में square नहीं रहते थे, diagonals equal नहीं रहते, only rectangle and square में diagonals equal रहेंगे. Okay, and they bisect each other. That means diagonals are equal in rectangle, diagonals are each other, diagonals are equal to each other and bisect to each other. That means, see, these are suppose diagonal PR and QR at O. Suppose meet at O. So PO is equal to OR, PO is equal to OR, and OQ is equal to SO. These are the, that means the diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisect, that means this part equal to what? This part equal to what? This part, that PO equal to OR, and this part equal to what? This part. So SO is equal to OQ. So diagonal bisect each other and they are equal. So these are the three properties rectangle have. Now same like when we push that P, okay, so it will incline. So what will happen? So it will form the quadrilateral PQRS, and quadrilateral PQRS, that incline rectangle we call parallelogram. मतलब टेढ़ा रेक्टेंगल मतलब सोया हुआ रेक्टेंगल को हम क्या बोलेंगे? पैरेललोग्राम. तो व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टी हियर? Same name we have given, quadrilateral PQRS is this is the symbol of quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Here what is same, like opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. Same concept, because both are looking same, only this is inclined. So first property is same, opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. That means PQ parallel to RS and PQ equal to RS, and PS parallel to QR and PS is equal to QR. Okay, so this is property same like the rectangle. Other property, opposite angles are equal in measures. Up here each angle is equal in measure, rectangle, but here opposite angles. That means angle P is equal to angle R, angle S is equal to angle Q. Correct. So opposite angles are equal in measure. Now after we'll come on the diagonals. So what is the diagonals? So diagonals bisect each other, not equal. Bisect equal नहीं रहेंगे इसमें, सिर्फ स्क्वायर एंड रेक्टेंगल में ही डायगोनल इक्वल रहेंगे. Diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other means they meet at point O, and this O point is the midpoint of each diagonal. This is O. So PO is equal to OR, and that SO is equal to OQ. That PO equal to OR and SO is equal to OQ. And the next property apart different from this rectangle, that is what? Adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. These and these. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angle are supplementary. So angle P and Q supplementary angles. Adjacent angle and they are supplementary. Angle S and R, they are also adjacent and they are supplementary. Angle P and S also we can take. Angle P and S are supplementary angles because they are adjacent angles. So these are the properties of rectangles and parallelogram. It looks like the same, okay, but this is an inclined rectangle. Okay, that parallelogram is an inclined rectangle. Here one property is angles are not equal. Each angle is not equal. Opposite angles are equal. Here each angle is equal and 90 degree. Is it clear? And here adjacent angles are supplementary. So these are the properties of parallelogram and rectangle respectively. So now we'll study about the trapezium. So what is a trapezium? See, trapezium is what? It looks like that. Okay. Again it has an in trapezium. There is also one of the trapezium. We will study it. So trapezium is what? Trapezium we are studying here. Trapezium here. Quadrilateral WXY, that is a trapezium. What are the properties trapezium has? Only one pair. Only one pair. See, is only one pair. WX and ZY. The only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Only one pair of opposite sides is parallel. So that is WX and ZY. These two are opposite sides and they are parallel to each other. These are not parallel to each other and not equal. Okay. So now what is the next property? Adjacent angles are supplementary. So these are adjacent angles. These and these only made by the parallel lines are these angle and these angle, these angle and these angle. Also we can suppose these are parallel and this is a transversal. So these are the co-interior angles. So co-interior angle, you know that these are supplementary already. So angle X plus angle Y equal to 180 and angle W plus Z equal to also 180 degree. So this is about the trapezium. Now one more trapezium is there, which is called isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium is what? The trapezium in which non-parallel sides are equal. Non-parallel side means, see, these two sides WX and YZ are equal, but WZ and XY are not equal, are not non-parallel sides. So these two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then we call it is isosceles trapezium. So WZ is equal to X1. So also we can say that the base angle are also equal. Base angle are also equal. So angle W equal to angle X and angle Z equal to angle Y. And the last but not least, types of quadrilateral, that is a kite. So kite is looks like that. You already know that kites. So only one adjacent sides are equal in length. Only the adjacent sides are equal. जैसे कि AD और BD, मतलब adjacent side ऐसे कि जिसमें vertex adjacent side मतलब ऐसे कि जिसमें vertex common होता है, तो AD and AB are equal. These are adjacent side equal. Only adjacent sides are equal, not opposite side. And DC is equal to BC. So these AD equal to AB and BC is equal to DC. These are equal. And one more, that is diagonals meet each other at right angle. Diagonals meet each other at right angle. Okay. So these are the properties of your kite. Okay, and one more quadrilateral is there, that is called cyclic quadrilateral. That means all its vertex lies on the circle. It is also called inscribed quadrilaterals. So in which what? The opposite angles are supplementary. In which opposite angles are supplementary. So quadrilaterals, those quadrilaterals having all vertices lies on the circle are called circumscribed circle. Also we can say that, yeah, it is also called cyclic quadrilaterals, in which opposite angles are supplementary. So these are all about the detail of quadrilaterals. Okay, so after watching this video, you can each and every concept related to the quadrilateral you can clear it. Okay, so So देखो students, this is a very much basics video of the mathematics and it required for solving each and every mathematics here. So more and more follow me, that subscribe my channel. Okay, send to your friends also, those who need it. And no teachers, no mathematics teacher can tell you these basic things, so I am telling it. So be with me. Okay, subscribe my channel for subscribe, and वो बेल आइकॉन होता है उसको भी क्या करो, दबाओ, ताकि नए नए वीडियो आपको मिल सके. इसके बाद में वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द 10th मैथमेटिक्स एंड 10th साइंस. ओके, सो विल स्टॉप हियर स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.